Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Larence Lapiceros. Becoming a firefighter can be a challenging but incredibly rewarding profession. I must have a strong desire to help others and make difference in my community.
A businessman highlights the value of innovation and teamwork, encouraging the audience to embrace challenges for positive change in their industries.
Good day everyone, my name is Jewel Mijam Domingo, teacher of technology, livelihood education, and I am working at Baysa High School, and I am here to help teach and guide our students.
Good day everyone, I am Captain Rosario and I will painfully and honestly carry out the lawful orders of my superior officer.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm your nurse Shane Magparok with a compassionate heart dedicated to my job. Every life stage change and every challenge strengthens.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rich Cassandra Elambalan, and I am a licensed teacher. I strongly believe teachers are given the opportunity to set the foundation of a prosperous future, not only for individual children, but for our society as a whole. That's why education is your power. Remember, the one thing in life no one can ever take away from you is your knowledge. So never stop learning. Once again, I am Rich Cassandra Elambalan, your lovely teacher, always at your service. And I thank you.
Welcome to Philippines Airlines. My name is Jai Shobola from Tempe. I'm your flight attendant. Becoming a flight attendant, for me, this rules is more than just a job. It is about creating memorable experience for passengers, ensuring their safety and being part of a dynamic and global industry. Thank you and happy travel to all of you.